What if I told you that XFER Serum still has secrets? I've hunted down the best XFER Serum tricks and I want to share them with you. These are tricks that I use all the time and that I think you should know. Let's unleash the power of Serum. Trick number 1, I have this sample here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to activate the noise section, take the sample and drop it into the noise oscillator. Turn up the level and activate the 2 options here. I can now use Serum as a sampler. Now I can pitch down or up my sample. I can also go into the FX section and add some FXs, like distortion, for example. I mean, the options are endless. Trick number 2, I have this sound here. But I want both oscillators to be the same with modulations. So I go to Menu, and then I choose Copy Oscillator A to Oscillator B with mods. And magic. Now both oscillators are the same, with all modulations in one click. Pretty cool, huh? Alright, so next trick is probably my favorite. Shout out to my friend Jeff for this trick. You should check out his channel. He is a master with Serum. So I'm gonna write a random LFO pattern just like that. And then I'm going to take all the dots. I'm going to hold Control and drag. And just like that, it's going to create a nice rainbow. Next, I'm going to assign the LFO to the cutoff so you guys can hear the cutoff moving. Now I can move all the dots together. Next trick is really useful when sound designing. So I have this FX rack here that I like. Let's say I want to switch sounds, but I want to keep the same FX rack. I'm going to go to Menu and then select Lock Effect Rack. So now I can switch sounds and keep the same FX rack. Next trick, let's take this sound. So what you want to do is go to the filter section, activate it, and then this knob right here, the mix knob, when you click on it, it becomes level. So now you can adjust the volume of your oscillators. Let's say I want to turn down just oscillator A, and then both of them. Alright, so last trick, you can drag and drop any sound from Serum into your DAW. Okay, so let's play this sound. Now what you want to do is go on this little icon here, click on it and drag and drop into your DAW. Boom, you have the exact same sound you just played. Share these tricks with your friends. Let me know which one's your favorite. Thanks for watching. Ciao.